Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 142 different strategies, with 50 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex Strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says that advanced indicator became free perfect buy and sell signal indicator on TradingView. And so of course we are going to put that to the test. So let's go ahead and turn off those indicators there. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the pivot based trailing maxima and minima right here by Lux Algo. And it will look similar to this right here. You'll go into the settings and you will turn the length to 50 and you will check the back paint right here. And then you'll go down to the uptrend and downtrend area and you will turn the opacity down to 0. And it will look like this right here. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Delta RSI oscillator, this one right here. So you will add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. And so what we are looking for is the pivot based trailing minima, maxima minima here to give us either a green background or a red background. And specifically we're looking for this arrow right here to appear, either a green arrow or a red arrow. Now this doesn't take place until right at 50 bars into the future. And so I went ahead and put it right here so that way you can see the shift that I'm talking about. And so if I go ahead and play this forward 1 bar, you can see that now it gives us this red signal right here, this red sell signal, and the background turns red. When that happens, we are going to look down to the RSI, and we want the RSI to be in the green position above the 0 line. And when we get all those that match up, then we are going to take a short position. There, we're going to set our stop right above the last swing, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And so you see that we make a really nice push pretty much straight down there, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade now. Alright, so for a long trade, we are looking for the maxima minima to turn green with the green arrow like this. It just did switch over after the 50 bar in the future candles there that we are looking for. And then we're going to look down to the RSI, and we want that to be in the red position below the 0 line. And when all those match up there, that's going to be our long signal there. We're going to put our stop right at the last swing and target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like we did a moment ago. Right about there should be good. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, you see that we make a really nice push, pretty much straight up, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting us at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. On the losing side, you would have lost $13,600 for a total loss of $4,000 altogether. So not the best strategy by far. Compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 53 trades during that same period of time with 46 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting us at an 86% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $27,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for a total overall gain of $21,300. Significantly better strategy with far better profits for sure. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You also have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so super cheap for a very efficient, profitable trading strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so this is the signals that we get using the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before. And it is with these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin on the 30-minute time frame. And so each week we are keeping track of each of the signals and then adding them up. So for the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, 4 losing trades, putting it at a 42% win rate. For the Forex pairs, we would have lost $1,320. With the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades with a gain of $1,200 for a total drawdown for the week of $120. Now keep in mind that this is probably the worst possible week to be trading. This is smashed in between Christmas and New Year's, with the market being super stagnant and slow. But even with that, we still barely had a red week, very small drawdown. And so this just goes to show that the legitimacy behind what we're doing here. I could easily just say that every single week was a winning week with green across the board every single time, but we're actually showing the true results here. You will have good weeks, you will have bad weeks. The idea is to have better green weeks than you do red weeks. And so with an average of about $4,000 per good week and a drawdown of 120 on the bad week, I'd say that we're doing our job pretty well. In total, for the last 4 weeks, we would have had $13,180. So quite a decent little profit there altogether. Now for this strategy here, we are going to put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.